I knew this day was coming. I knew this day was coming. I told y'all in earlier videos that this day was coming. What am I talking about? Competition. An opponent for YouTube. And you know it's competition when all news media that really doesn't care about social media like that, when news media is jumping on, dropping stories saying YouTube has competition. Now, impending doom for YouTube? Nah, stop it. Stop it. YouTube knew things were coming. They knew. They knew as a company, Google, they knew as a company that competition was coming. And so they began to spread their wings a little further. They knew that whole entire, hey, we want everybody over on Google. We want everybody rocking with Google for you. They knew that wasn't gonna last long. Y'all shut that down quick. But YouTube Gaming, YouTube Music, YouTube Red, YouTube TV, and don't think for the NBA Finals, you didn't see YouTube plastered all over that thing, so you were watching on YouTube. Get that money, however, Facebook was in the rear. They were plotting. They were in the rear plotting. Facebook knew that they were gonna lay down a nice smooth foundation to make sure creators were taken care of the Facebook way. Facebook was also smart. Mark Z, a smart businessman. However you may feel, however you may feel about Mark Zuckerberg, he is a smart power player in the game. He knows the difference between chess and checkers. So what he did was start buying up other companies and implementing them back into Facebook and leaving some alone and just slapping his name under the name of that particular company, like, yeah, we own that. Every time you see a new app pop, where Facebook owns it. But the best move they made was that Instagram purchase. Now, Instagram had made all of the changes that we have seen, the same changes that we have seen, whether it was on your Android devices, whether it was on your iOS platforms. They took over Snapchat in their own little way. Now, Snapchat is still on and popping, but don't think Daddy Zuckerberg did not roll up over there like Snapchat was good. You need to get on the winning team. And then, CEO and the big boys of the big board over there, Snapchat was like, nah, money, we good. We don't need Facebook for nothing. So Mark Zuckerberg and squad, they just turned Instagram into Snapchat and then added some extra goodies. Now, the extra goodies got a facelift. You, on iOS and or your Google Play, can download IGTV. That's Instagram TV. That's the new boo thing. That's what news media is jumping on right now. That's what they're talking about. And they're saying that it's going to be YouTube's competition because it's long form video, similar to YouTube. YouTube is long form video. We know that you got to go ahead and push 10 minutes or more to really get that YouTube loving, to start adding more ads to your video. And y'all know what it is. Don't act like this is brand new conversation. Every time you go to your favorite content creator who's over 10 minutes, all you see are a whole bunch of yellow lines popping up. Same here. Same here. Who am I not to pimp the system? I'm just another creator, another influencer, another entertainer. Like getting money on all platforms. Do you leave YouTube to go to IGTV? Let's talk about that. No, you don't leave YouTube to go to IGTV. What you do is you make sure you have content for both platforms. You have content for Instagram, IGTV. It's not all cooped up into one. Like literally you have to download IGTV. You know what I'm saying? It's not like you just go to Instagram. And I'm sure over time, hopefully they just integrate it into that just one bam app, pow, good enough for everybody. But you have to actually have two apps right now, Instagram and then IGTV. So much going on, but that second one is the long form edition. But you don't leave YouTube for it. No. You don't leave YouTube for it. You keep uploading to YouTube and you keep building out your audience on Instagram. And now that it's long form, given that you have a story to tell with your content, you can go ahead and upload that onto IGTV. And I don't know if there's a max time on that. I haven't tried a max time, nor did I do the homework to see if there's a max time on that. I put up a 4-minute video. That's my very first video on IGTV. You're watching it right now. All right, this is that little Cinemax joint that I did. If the video is in your phone, you'll upload it directly to IGTV. It's in vertical format, It is not in landscape mode, it is in vertical format. Daym, what does this mean? Well, it means that people are already using vertical format for their Instagram short stories anyway. But now if you want to go ahead and use your phone, you can tell a long story just using your phone. You do not have to run out and purchase anything special. Anybody, everybody, anyone, everyone, without editing software, you don't need it, go ahead and upload some fire to IGTV. I'm saying that's a great look. I'm saying YouTube needs competition. YouTube needs friendly competition to make changes on the platform that benefit everyone. Not just a few creators here and there, no, that benefit everyone. Because guess what, YouTube? Facebook is coming out and changing platforms to make sure they benefit everyone. And what does that do? What does that do with a company already in place? Not some new company. No. Not some company trying to be like a Vine or trying to be like a YouTube. Sending you emails to the top creators that they can get email addresses for and saying, hey, listen, we're new, we're coming in, we got big plans to take over, ... We want you on our team. And then they flop and fail 3 months later. No, not that. No, I'm talking about Facebook/Instagram already in place. And all they did was just add, boop, another app to it. Instagram TV. You can't possibly fail when you already have billions under your name. Billions, not millions. Not, oh, we just got a heavy investment and we hope we don't destroy this. No, when you already have billions rocking with you and you can afford to make sure people are taken care of. Now, YouTube can afford to make sure people are taken care of, but what YouTube is doing, they're branching out and they're forgetting some of the core players along the way. And it is what it is. YouTube got to do what it got to do. It's a company. They got to do what they have to do. However, I hope they stop long enough in the boardroom to pay attention to the fact of the matter that Instagram even reached out to Ninja, brought Ninja out to the main HQ, and you know it's for IGTV, baby. Give Ninja his own IGTV. You might as well. And put him in the forefront. You might as well, because he's the #1 Fortnite player. You might as well. But Instagram is not stupid. They're doing that with every category. They're bringing all of these heavy hitters out from every category. You know what I'm saying? It could be do-it-yourself, beauty channels, vlogging. They're bringing out heavy hitters and they're putting them at the forefront of IGTV. They're changing the game that way. And then they're bringing in more creators underneath that. They're saying when we come out, we're coming out swinging. We're coming out meaning business. We want you on our team. Come get on our team and then come get some of this cream. Let me hit you that one more time in case you didn't hear me. Come get on our team and then come get some of this cream. Now, however you may feel about this particular platform really doesn't matter. Things are changing, times are changing. If you're not willing to change with the times, if you're not willing to evolve, you'll remain stagnant and you will fall behind until you're forgotten. So when something new pops off this major, that has news media making predictions, I'm saying the ground floor is here, people. And it's not just for me, or it's not just for larger creators, or no, the ground floor is here and it's for everybody rocking with Instagram. Download the app and create a channel. Simple, just like that. Download the app and create a channel. All big YouTubers know right now that they need to be making content for Instagram TV. Now, there may be a sprinkled few that won't do a thing. They're like, nah, I'm good over here on YouTube. I ain't doing nothing else. I'm dedicated to my peoples right here. That's cool. That's cool. Stay dedicated. Do that. But for the rest of us that are about to hustle, oh, we already got it, baby. Oh, we already got goodies going over to IGTV. You might want to get with it or get left behind. Now, I don't want this being one of those videos you got to come back to later on and be like, yo, Daym already told y'all months ago or years ago, this is what you should have did. You just didn't listen. Nah, baby, I ain't doing this video for that. I'm doing this video to let my people know, hey, listen, there's something else out there. YouTube's competition has not only knocked on the door, but they knocked that door clear open. letting everybody and their mama walk on through, I want you right now to slide, download IGTV. I want that, yo, this ain't even sponsored, cuz. This ain't even sponsored. This is just me keeping it 100 with you, saying, listen, something big. Now, I don't talk about other platforms. Y'all know that. I ain't trying to push other platforms on you because that's, you might bubble up, you might not bubble. I know with IGTV, there's going to be a lot of people right now coming in ground floor that do not have a big name for themselves here on YouTube that will bubble lovely on Instagram TV. When that money is to be got, you're going to be getting that bread. But right now, build your audience. Don't wait. Don't wait. Don't get left behind in the dust. Don't be just sitting there hearing about it, and don't be sitting there just watching everybody else get it when you could be getting it. I'm just trying to tell you, go secure the bag. Go secure the bag. Because as far as competition, this is the only competition YouTube. It ain't no other platform doing it like this. You know Facebook got money. You know YouTube got money. They both have money. So when you deal with money, big things can happen in your favor. This is common sense. It's nothing else but common sense. And sometimes common sense isn't even common. I'm trying to give it to you. I'm giving it to you. You can hit me in the comment section, do whatever it is that you want to do. We can talk about this thing. It ain't nothing to your boy. Yo, for y'all new heads, you can subscribe to your boy if you want to. I'm around like a ball. Holla at me. All right, y'all, I got to get up out of here. It's getting hot. I got things to do, man. You know what I'm saying? Just let's go. Instagram TV is where it's at, man. I'll see you there.